Selfie. We are in Welby, Mangade. It's a great day. I'm drinking coffee. Now I'll have dinner, pasta from Bruxelles, local Bruxelles. It's a great day. Beautiful Welby. Beautiful nature. Beautiful world. So that's it for YouTube.